Oh, wow. All right. My bad. Oh, man. I'm so embarrassed. Oh, no. You couldn't hear me this whole time? Oh, I was just sitting here talking to myself like I usually do. How embarrassing. Gosh, I guess I'll just repeat everything I just said. But yeah, welcome to the stream, Mike Man. Adam, I was thought I was talking to you guys, but I guess I was talking to myself. Can you hear me now? Let me know if you can hear me. Can anybody hear me? You can hear me? Yep. All right. Wow, man. All right. Let me go back up and re-answer your questions. I was ever since I switched over the screen, I was talking, and even before that. And let me turn the music down so it's not too loud. We don't want to get too crazy. See if we can bring that down just a little bit. There we go. All right. So my bad. Yeah, what I was saying. Oh man, let me come back up. All right, let me catch up. We're having some technical difficulties. It's been a long time since I've streamed, so I've got to get warmed up. Uh, Eminem, Kamikaze. I had not heard that. I just looked it up, saw that it was an album. I didn't know that he had made a new album, so I'm listening to it now. I got Lucky You queued up, and I asked you if um, oh, what's a good song? Because I didn't know about it. So yeah, what's your favorite song from that so far? And we can listen to that. But the music I have playing right now is no copyright, so hopefully I can leave it up on YouTube, and it won't get taken down like the last streams always do. But yeah, Eminem's Kamikaze. I like some Eminem and Joyner too. But that was just the one that YouTube suggested first. Lucky You. And my bad. Where we go? Antmounds. Anyways, Antmounds, are you streaming? I am streaming. What is this stream? My bad. All right, so this stream is the programming stream. It's in the channel banner. It's the first thing in the channel banner. I think you can see it. I just haven't done it yet because I've been working on that schedule. And let's see, where is it? There it is. Oh wait, hang on. Oh no, there it is. Oh, wait, 1 second. Here it is. Wait. Oh, well, it's somewhere here. There it is. All right. Here it is. Watch this. There it is. It's right there in the channel description, but I may separate out later, but right now it's not. It's not that big of a deal. But yeah, programming games and adventure. So this is the programming part. I'm going to do that at 5 a.m. Everyone's asleep. Except all of our foreigner visitors. But yeah, so this is programming. So what we're doing is we're working on our startup. Like, I don't know if you knew, but we have a startup here. It's been in the description forever, just never did it. But yeah, so we're working on our startup. This is our startup, and we're going from bootstrap to billions live. It's happening now, and let me see. Hang on, my bad. Are you gonna play games? My bad, I'm catching it. Yeah, so since in the time that my gaming computer was down and out, remember I've been limping along here. I've been doing more programming, so we've been actually getting a chance to work on our startup, which is important because if we can make some money from the startup, then we'll have more time in the future to play games. So it's like invest the time now and then play games all the time whenever we win and the world wins and we get into that Star Trek future where we can all just take free Ubers around and energy is just generated for free and we'll just all travel around and learn languages and I don't know, study 16th century Russian literature. It won't matter. Whatever you want to do. But yeah, right now though, we got to work on the startup. But it's good though. It's fun. And you can put it on your resume worst case and it'll make a good addition to your portfolio. So what did we do? What am I gonna? But yeah, Adam, I'm gonna play games later though. So if you want to get some Fortnite in, I have been playing. I've just been playing by myself, trying to do the challenges. But I want to do some more Fortnite later for sure. catch me later today after this stream. I might take a power nap, and then we'll come back on and get some Fortnite. Maybe some GT. I haven't played GT in a while either, but we'll get back into it. Like I said, my gaming computer is back in, so we just got to get back to that schedule. Got to work around work and all the other things. So, but yeah, we'll get back into it. Bear with us. What kind of startup am I working on? Yes. Am I still a default? No, Mike, man. Since you've come, I am a Battle Pass, a proud Battle Pass owner. I have already enough credits for next season, so we will be starting Season 6 off fresh. In 9 days, I am level Tier 81. I really want to get to Tier 84 so I can get the toilet paper contrail. And of course, level 100 would be good, but we got 9 days, so I don't know. But maybe you can help me out with that, get some wins in. It's all about the XP. But yeah, Gamer Turbo, what is this start? Oh, I am in the Discord if you want to listen to me in the live stream. Sometimes it's easier just to hear the Discord like a podcast. So what is the startup? Yeah, before I get into what I did last time, I was looking at our Git here. This tracks all of our changes, so I was going to catch up on what I did 2 days ago off stream. But what is the startup? That is a good place to start. I'm still trying to figure out the format of how to do this. But we can always start with what is the startup. Here it is on already. It's already kind of soft launch. It's secretly launched. Don't tell anybody. But it is available now. We already got 1,700 downloads. I don't know where, but they're coming. They're rolling in. So yeah, it is live. Antmounds is free open source mobile ready face recognition check-in and loyalty app. So out the box, I guess the goal is, what was it? China Hotel Face Recognition or something like that. I had too many tabs open here. But, so yeah, pretty much the end goal is pretty much what's going on in China right now. And pretty much you can just walk in, you can get food, you can take the train, but of course theirs is connected straight into their government databases, so you're already in the system, bro. Adam, please play Fortnite. We're gonna play it later, Adam. You have 31,000 V-Bucks. Whoa. You got Ragnar, man. All right, yeah, you guys. We're gonna be playing. I promise. Right now, though, you're supposed to be asleep. This is programming time. But we'll get some Fortnite in. I'm not even that good. It's been a long time, so I'm rusty. You guys are going to have to carry me. I will play next time I'm on. Play with the viewers, definitely. You got Ragnarok. Alright. That's what I'm going for. Have you done the challenges? He has like his own set of challenges. So yeah. Well, it's hard to game. I mean, there's two sides. I don't just play Fortnite. In order to get this awesome gaming computer to play Fortnite while I'm watching 4K movies and downloading movies and burning movies and have 300 tabs open in Chrome, 200 in Firefox, 50 in Internet Explorer. In order to get this gaming computer so that way I could play with you guys, I had to go to work and I had to program. So might as well put my programming, might as well showcase it, right? So yeah. So this is what puts food on the table. This right here. This right here. This code right here. This pays the bills. And so yeah, it's part of the channel. It's part of the dream. It's part of the stream. You know what I mean? So let me get back into my spiel. I gotta practice the elevator pitch. This is our startup, you know. So this isn't really in America yet, but look east, and that's where the West will go. So soon, once we get over like, well, so yeah, we'll have the hotel face recognition. You can go and maybe get your favorite meal. So yeah, that's pretty much the base idea. And we already have some competitors. It already exists. We're not the first, but this is the only one that is free. It's the first open source one, and mobile ready, just out the box. You can use this today. It's ready to go. It'll detect emotions, gender, estimated age range, and I'll give you a demo here in a little bit. And then how, of course, will you play Fortnite today? I will play Fortnite today. We're gonna play Fortnite very soon. I promise. I did play today actually. I just played by myself to get some challenges in. But we will play Fortnite today. Like I said, I'm gonna get this security vulnerability fixed. This is important because if we don't get the security vulnerability fixed, then we can't make money. And if we can't make money, then we can't buy Fortnite Season 6. Then what will we do? Then we'll really be up a creek. So, alright, so yeah, that's the basis. Let me close that. There's the vulnerability. This is what we're going to at least do tonight. And this is fixing our Docker image, which is built from Alpine Linux. And let me know if you have any questions. If you something I could say more clearly, let me know. Back to what it is, though. And so what it is this at base level will... you can't buy Fortnite S6. I know that's not yet, but once we... once you run a business and you bring in revenue and profits, then you can turn it around and then you can buy Fortnite Season 6. Ming Balama. Does that make sense? But yeah, we're getting it though. It's soon. It's coming though. It's coming through this. We're going to work hard, but then we're going to play harder. And after we get this fixed, do some code pushes, deploy the site live, I'm going to take a power nap, and I'll play Fortnite today. I will play Fortnite today, Adam. Alright. I will, though. Alright. Alright, you good? Where was I? Alright, so pretty much what you'd do is you'd set your AWS keys, and you need a Mongo database. And then you would be able to run this image. So what does the image look like? Let's go into it. Here it is. What also I added a service worker. So you can see here. Where is it? I might not have saved it yet. Here it is. So that was a big, it was a few hours Friday evening. Oh man, get cracking. I need to make this faster. Come on now. Come on, get cracking. It's time to get cracking. Alright, so here's a service worker, and it's very basic. The reason I added this was because I wanted to make a progressive web app, and I wanted to test higher in the Google Chrome web app test. And so, alright Mike, man, you're falling asleep. Go to sleep, take it easy. Have a good night. This music almost put me to sleep, but the code must go on. But we'll be playing Fortnite later today, so come back later. What happens here is we're just doing the installation of the service worker, and we're caching our favicons and fonts and the root directory. And then we activate it, so it's not doing much, and then it just fetches it. And then this fetch isn't complete, so this would probably break production somehow, but it works for now. It gets the job done. We can like manually clear cache and refresh, and it works. And then this also makes it to where we can use the web app offline, even though you can't make the database or AWS calls offline. The web app won't give you a page not found or anything. Yeah, back to the app. So what does it do? So out the box, and remember we're iterating up to the components that we would need to make the complete startup. So to get to that check-in and face recognition, this is the base level, which is just mastering the face recognition part, keeping track of IDs, and building collections. So what was working last time that was great is we can add and delete individual collections, and these are confirmed against the AWS side. Still need to get this count displayed, but what I think we're gonna do is I saw a new API method for AWS. Ooh, here's our server. Oh, this is prod. This is our dev servers running on AWS Fargate serverless. Where's that method though? Oh yeah, it's been running steady for a while. It's doing good. It is doing good. But the method that we're gonna use to get the collection count is describe collection, I think it is. Describe collection. Get collection info. List collections? Maybe it is list collections. My cousin code. Oh, nice. Do you code? Do you know how to code? Are you learning? It is fun. It's how you make your app ideas, how you can make them yourself. So you don't have to pay anyone else. It'll save you a lot of money in the long run. I'm looking for a collection. You don't code. Oh, hey, it's never too late to learn. I didn't really start doing this until after junior year university. He makes Minecraft. Oh, mods. Yeah, Minecraft mods. There's good money there for sure. Okay, I'm not seeing the collection call I thought I was looking for. Let me... Sorry, I shut down my PC, no worries. I am going to play video games today, not on stream. Not on stream and on stream. Oh, okay, I don't know where I was. What was I in? Maybe that documentation hadn't been updated yet. Yes, this is what we want. Alright, face count. So on startup, we're going to get that face count. Anyways, what works is search right now. So we have Jet Li. He's a popular target for us. and this is going off localhost. So what it'll do is it'll show you their age range. It'll give you this little sentence here, give you a summary. And then if they were saved in one of these databases with a name, it will show you their name, and if they're recognized as a celebrity, it'll show you their celebrity name, and then the databases they were found in. So he was found in the Macy's one, but I know that is because he wasn't recognized in another one. Because here in settings we can set the similarity, and similarity out the box is 98. I think it's set at 97, and he's only recognized in Macy's as 95%. So I just adjusted it to 94. Let's rerun the search. Let me try another one of his pictures. There it is. Alright, so you can see this one, it recognized him as being in the Macy's 95%. And it recognized him as being in the VIP database, 98%. Let me try the last one again. Maybe we'll get some like tests written for that eventually someday. And now he's back, recognized 94%, just barely meeting the threshold. So yeah, and then history we need to clean up. Also, this setting right here is what I added. This station name gets saved to the session in the same way as the similarity, and so this would be passed to the server, and this would just be any. You could name this anything, however many apps or copies you wanted to set up on your network. You could have a different location, maybe checkout, or you could change this to checkout 1 or check-in or wherever, phone, and then that would be saved alongside history, so that way we can see where the face was saved and the collection. Dashboard's not showing this. I think I'm on the wrong localhost. Let me go to. So you, Mike Man, all-nighter. Yep, Mike Man, we doing it. Are you? How many more minutes? It's gonna be a while, like hours. I probably won't be playing Fortnite until it's now 6 a.m. here in Colorado. Or Colorado, if you're listening to NPR. And so, power nap can be anywhere from 15 minutes to 15 hours. And so Fortnite, though, would be probably after lunch we're looking at. But yeah, all-nighter right now. Yeah, it is an all-nighter. I see the sun starting to come up over the Colorado Rocky Mountains. It's beautiful. The glint, the first rays. Sun. Might go out hiking later after a power nap, so I don't know, but we'll play Fortnite, don't you worry. Where are you at? What time is it for you? Are you about to go to bed? You just staying up so you can play Fortnite? Alright, this is the latest development build. What we're wanting to do on the dashboard is show an actual dashboard. So before, the dashboard was just a copy of search. But yeah, Mike, this is face recognition. That's the point, but it's applied. So we want to. What's the purpose of the face recognition? And the purpose of this face recognition is so that way, whenever you go to your favorite restaurant or maybe the library. Maybe we can get some deals with schools, airports, banks, dispensaries, liquor stores, everywhere, CCTVs, you get the picture. And then this would just run your face, recognize your face, but it's also tied to a loyalty system, so that way whenever you go back to your favorite restaurant and your face is recognized, you'll get points. So they don't do that yet. And this would be another special feature that would be really fun, is the if the system is installed on like a traffic cam or any other system, it'd be like a roller coaster ride. So you know when you ride a roller coaster and then at the end you get a picture, but you have to go to the counter and then you have to pay for it. So imagine just driving along the street and then passing a security camera and you get a text with your picture on it. It's like a free souvenir. So it's pretty transparent, and so you know that way it wouldn't be a secret. So both sides benefit. You get your free selfie, and the business gets your loyalty. It's Utah, 6:04. All right, same time. Colorado. $3:02. Oh, Adam, you might be in bed then, because in 6 hours it's gonna be 9:02 for you, and in 6 hours it's gonna be noon for me. Uh-oh. So seems we've reached an impasse. One second. Yeah, I'll be trying to play more Fortnite for you guys, so we can definitely start season 6 off strong. And I need to figure out a schedule, because we're gonna be doing programming, and then the playtime will be Fortnite. But we're gonna have to do some work, because if we do enough work, then we'll make enough money. Maybe we'll just buy Fortnite. But first you have to make the startup, and then it'll be good. But yeah, so we'll Fortnite. What time is good for you then, Mike and Adam? What's the best time? Do you like playing Fortnite in the morning? Do you like playing Fortnite at the time I used to play? Like, aimed for 8, ended up being 9, sometimes 10, usually 11, sometimes 1. In the evening? Okay, in the evening, I like that. And like daytime would be project work, or I'd start the day off with some code and then maybe do some adventure, and then maybe some midday gaming around lunchtime, and then get back into the code, and then end the day with just Fortnite and Grand Theft Auto and 3D and virtual reality and just pleasure and fun and games. I like it. It's all about that schedule. We just got to get back into that schedule. Right now we're about to move. I'm about to move. Get a new apartment. Ooh, so, such is life, you know. Ain't no rest for the wicked. Alright. What's happening? Alright, so collections, this is going to be the dashboard. This is going to be where it's going to be popping off. This is going to be in the control room, and you're going to see the collections rolling in, faces rolling in, searches would be rolling in, matches, hopefully you're getting a good match percent. And then here, this would disappear, and show check-ins and pre-check-in. that you could take action on and try to track the faces across different locations. But right now that functionality does not exist. So that's just what we gotta do. Just last week was pretty busy. I was just tired and just didn't. But it's no rush. It's a work in progress. We just gotta get into that schedule and get into the rhythm and the rhyme. Alright. So right now, what we're about to do. One second. Let me see what was on. So when should I come back? Yeah, no, I do not work from home. I work downtown Denver. And so yeah, but it's a good I spend about 2 to 3 hours on the road. So you got to take that into account. And so that's what really determines the schedule, depending on what traffic's doing. But that's why I'm moving. So we're gonna be moving, and that'll give me like a week or two to get into the new schedule there. What time should you come back? You should come back. Let's see. Wait, where'd you say you live? Where are you at? I don't know. You live in the same time zone? Oh, okay. 2 p.m. Let's say. Because if I go to sleep, maybe I wake up at noon, and then I may go for a bike ride, see if the sun comes up. Maybe I can do an adventure stream. We just go straight and just get into the. I'm a full-time streamer now. Yeah, alright. You want to see me play Fortnite? You want to see me suck it up? No, we were getting some kills. I was definitely carrying my weight. I mean, building's still a little, need to work on our technique there, but we're definitely competitors. So yeah, I'm gonna say 2 o'clock. Let's say 1400 hours. So it's 6 a.m. though. I mean, we're on the same time zone. I mean, what are you gonna do about to just go to sleep? All right. I don't know where I want to start. That's where I wanted to start. Okay. Right now, this is coming from the client side. Yeah, we can start there. Right now, these collection numbers are coming from the client side, so we can go ahead and set this up to serve it from the server side. And where that's happening is right here on the home page, home.js. Get dashboard stats, and right now it's just getting it locally session.get stats, and I think I set those stats. I hard coded them when the app starts. Not there, but right here. So those collection stats are just coming from the same page, but really. You could either do a Meteor subscription or a Meteor method. Let's try a Meteor method. That's right, 3:12. Alright, Adam, so 7 hours from now. Yeah, let's say 7 to 8 hours. That's gonna be late. It's gonna be like 10 p.m. for you. We're gonna have to figure out a time. It's always 4:20 somewhere in the world, right? But it's also always 4:20 a.m. somewhere also. Do you still use Controller? So do you use Builder Pro? I might, Mike. Man, I might have to change it up. That's probably what was happening. Oh, it's Cypress. That's right. Whoa, that's cool. Where's what? That sounds familiar. I know like where that is. So coding is a side job. No, coding is the job. Coding is the main job. I'm a full-time software engineer doing exactly what I'm doing now for $1 billion, $1 trillion. Well, not $1 trillion. I guess that would only be two companies. I don't work for Apple or Amazon. But yeah, exactly this right here. This is where you practice. What I practice here. I put into production at work. That's how you learn. So yeah, we learn here, and so we have like infrastructure code. Sometimes if I'm doing DevOps engineering, this sets up our auto scaling groups, our servers, our load balancers, networks, and then what we're going to be working on later is DevOps, working on our Docker file, updating that Alpine Linux. And then yeah, this Node.js. This is Node.js is everywhere, just JavaScript. But yeah, this is the main job. The startup right now that we're working on, I guess you could call a side job. For the time being, we are still on the road to cash flow positivity. So just working to get cash flow positive. And then it will be upgraded maybe from a back burner. But we'll see. I will stream, Adam. Yeah, tomorrow would be Monday. Yeah, we're gonna try to get into the regular schedule again. Message me on Discord if not. Yeah, if you don't see me, but trying here. Can I make my sub count public one day? I don't even know. It's not about the subs. It's about having fun. I just kidding. It is very much about all that, about the advertising and the customers and the views and the downloads and the sales and the taxes and the everything. But yeah, one day, very soon. Right now, I got the same answer. I'm still trying to work on the schedule. Once we get into a consistent schedule, then we'll turn on that sub count and we'll be in it to win it all day, every day. Okay. Yo, Bravo Juice. I do remember. Yeah, man. The whole crew is here. What's up? Welcome back. Do you remember me? I'm honored you remember the stream. Still getting notifications. Welcome back to the stream. Welcome back to the dream. We're doing programming right now, but yeah. How's it going? What have you been up to? Oh, Cyprus. That's where. Yeah. Hang on. I was looking up Cyprus. The Republic of Cyprus. Oh, on an island too. Oh, it's so beautiful. That's awesome. Man, this is where you live, Adam. Cyprus, Greece. Man, living it up. Well, that's cool. One day, that'd be cool to visit for sure. Maybe, do you guys have face recognition systems? Maybe you have some like coffee shops or some dispensaries. Maybe people want to build some loyalty points. Maybe you're tired of giving them your phone number, or you have to give them like your address or something. It'd be easier just to walk in and just be recognized like a celebrity. They're doing it in China. But yeah, Bravo Juice, I remember you. Remember your bike crash? Yeah, how are you doing from that? You've recovered? I remember that whenever